To begin, remove all old nail polish with acetone. If you don't have any polish on, you may still want to clean your nails with some acetone to prep them for the polish. Next, apply a base coat to all your nails to help your manicure last longer. Then paint all your nails light blue, or you can pick a different color scheme. Wrap the tips of your nails with polish. This will keep them from chipping. Add a second coat or even a third if needed. Put liquid latex around your nails to protect your skin from the polish gradient we're about to do. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on gradients, click the video in the top right corner. On a small sponge, brush on these 3 shades of blue, slightly overlapping. Dab the sponge onto all your nails to make a gradient. Reload the sponge with polish and add more layers to build up the gradient. On your middle and ring fingers, use some black polish on either a thin nail art brush, or you can use one of these polishes meant for striping and paint a chevron design. On your pointer and pinky, add a glitter top coat. I used a Holo Taco Aurora Unicorn Skin, but you can really use anything. Here are some ideas. I left my thumbs plain blue and added the same glitter coat. Next, peel off the liquid latex. Lastly, put on a glossy clear top coat onto all of your nails once everything is 100% dry. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.